Good morning, everybody. So, welcome to another class of C programming and practice. So, today we're going to discuss about algorithms. First, let's see program design. Right? Let me write first. Here. Program design has two phases. Okay? Let me write it. Program design has two phases. First is a problem solving phase. Second is implementation. Okay. Problem solving normally creates algorithm that solves a problem, right? Implementation is implementing or translating that algorithm into a programming language. So another term we use here is algorithm. Algorithm means step-by-step process to solve the problem, right? Step-by-step process to step-by-step process to solve a problem. So algorithm could be English-like. If it's English-like written, that means it's a pseudocode, right? And algorithm could be flowchart. Flowchart is a visual expression of algorithm or program, right? So first, let's see about this flowcharts. Okay. This is a flowchart. So you see here, this symbol, you can say, or this shape, means start or stop. Okay. If you see this symbol, that means it's a start or stop. Alright. And next thing is we have input and output for today's this one. Okay. This is input output. Then we're going to see the process also. Okay, this is the process, and we have a decision making. If you use if else, that means you're going to use this type of shape, right? This type of shape. Okay. So today we will see an example. Let me go to this paint. I will give you a problem. Average, yeah? Sorry about that. This is a misspelling. Okay, find the average of 3 integers. Okay, 3 integers. Okay, first let's try it in a step-by-step. Let's do it this way. That means we have to start our program. Second step, we have to read 3 integers. Then compute average. compute average means this one, let's put some variable name, right? And in the average, we can use that. This is a computation. Fourth step is print average. Fifth step is stop the program, right? So this is a problem. Then how we want to solve the problem is this way. So if you write these steps before you start writing program, it will be very easy for you to write a program because you know exactly what to do. So in order to solve this problem, first you open your program, then you write code to read three integers, then you compute the average, then you print out that average. That's it, right? Okay. And another way of showing these steps is a flowchart. So let me open this. Okay. Okay. This is start, right? This is input, right? So that means we have to read three integers. Read three integers. Process is a compute average. Compute average. And we don't need decision making. We need one more. This one. Stop. Okay. Simple, right? It's simple. Oh, we have one. We need one more. We need to print out. So that means we need this one. Print average. Then we have to connect them from one to. Okay. So this arrow means steps. This first step, the second step, this is third step, this fourth step, and lastly. Okay. So this is simple flowchart of finding three integers. Okay. You see that? Alright. Next step is first we discuss the program design. First step is algorithm. Second step is implementation of algorithm into programming language, right? So we completed first step. So we have an algorithm now. We know every step of our program. So now we have to write a program. So we need to translate this and this flowchart into programming language. So let's open code blocks. Let's open file. Okay. Let's write average. Okay. All right. So first we need to include and then we write our main program. Okay. So next thing is we have to declare our first our three integers. We say A, B, C, right? Okay. So now we are in this step. So now we have to read them. So user has to enter their number. Enter first integer. Okay. Okay. Next is scan. So we using integer. So we put these symbols. So we copy paste this and just name this second. Change to this B, and this is the third. Oh, see? Okay. Alright. We already completed this step. We read 3 integers now. So now we have to compute average. So let's write integer average equals to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Okay, then okay, this also done, completed. Now we have to print. Okay, let's put print. Average of 3 integers is okay, we debug it first. No error. So now we can run it. Okay, it's asking me to integer, third integer. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our program is working as it should be. So I think that's enough for today. So you can play around with. This is not the main point, right? You already know this programming part, but today you learn how to write algorithm. This is a step by step. You can call it, oh, this is a flow chart. This is also simple, but you just need to know meaning of these shapes. Okay. All right. I think that's enough for today.